Breaking free from battery woes. iFixit restocks Pixel 6a replacement batteries. Are you tired of living with a defective Pixel 6a battery that's holding you back? Well, there's finally some good news. iFixit has restocked genuine Pixel 6a replacement batteries, giving you the power to take matters into your own hands. The backstory. Earlier this year, Pixel 6a owners were hit with a wave of overheating issues, with some devices even swelling due to faulty batteries. Google responded with a mandatory Android 16 update designed to manage the problem by reducing charging speeds and slightly cutting battery capacity. But here's where it gets controversial. The fix didn't completely solve the issue. In fact, one user reported their Pixel 6a catching fire overnight while charging, despite having installed the update. The DIY solution. For those who don't have access to Google's repair support or want to get the repair done quickly, iFixit's DIY kits are now available. These kits include everything you need to replace the battery yourself, along with step-by-step written instructions and a detailed YouTube tutorial to guide you through the process. And this is the part most people miss. iFixit offers genuine Pixel repair parts, giving you the confidence to tackle the repair yourself. What you need to know. iFixit's Pixel 6a battery replacement kits are now back in stock. The kits include everything you need to replace the battery yourself. Google's earlier update reduced battery capacity, but didn't fully solve overheating issues. iFixit's DIY kits offer a cost-effective and convenient solution for those who can't access Google's repair support. The verdict? While I'd still recommend visiting an official Google repair store for a professional fix, iFixit's DIY kits offer a viable alternative for those who want to take matters into their own hands. So, stop letting a dead battery ruin your day and take control of your Pixel 6a's repair. What do you think? Have you experienced battery issues with your Pixel 6a? Do you think DIY repairs are the way to go, or should you stick with official repair channels? Let us know in the comments.